Alright, Justice Collectibles here with Justice Breaks doing another two-box break of 2016 Origins football. We're going to go ahead and run the randomizer. Let pick our boxes. Alright, 7 boxes. 5 times for first box. 2, 3, 4, 5. Box 2. Alright, 5 more times for next box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got box 4. Whoa. Oh, we're on this camera. You see that? 2 and 4. Switch back. And let's do this. Good luck, everybody. I hope we pull something sick for you. Sorry about all the hiccups getting this thing going. We'll start off with Carlos Hyde, Gary Barnidge. We got Joe Flacco for the Ravens out of 150. Cam Newton. Then we got auto, non-numbered Keenan Reynolds for the Ravens. Got a rookie jumbo patch autographs red. Kenneth Dixon. Who's he on again? Ravens. Wow, really? Guess you can call this a Ravens box, huh? And then this is decent. Well, nice patch for the Texans. Tyler Irving gold out of 10. Next box, or next pack. There's a thickie in here. Alright. Drew Brees. Jeremy Maclin. Out of 150 for the Giants, Eli Manning. Oh my. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Who's got the Eagles? Who's got the Eagles? You'll be happy you kept your team. Jonathan Stewart. Chewy. This is disgusting, man. Oh. Carson Wentz. 2 out of 5. That is disgusting patch. Oh, wow. That's disgusting. Congratulations. That is a beautiful card. Wow. Man, we've been pulling fire up in here. We got Cody Kessler, auto for the Browns out of 49. And Marcel Darius, Elemental Materials out of 30. Yeah, I'm going to sleeve hits. Now I'm going to ship them to unsleeved. That would be funner that way. I normally sleeve after I do the breaks right now, you know, because I'm trying to get my speed down. But I'm trying to work on my setup. Last card was the Bills. That Wentz is disgusting. Um, Once again, we appreciate it. Thanks for hanging around for the breaks and dealing with the nonsense in between. Thank you.